The S612V 6x48 belt, 12-inch disc. The sanders come with the adjustable table for the belt and the disc sander, both multi-positioned. Magnetic controls, 4-inch hose, easily removable belt, removable platen that you can rotate, easy tracking. Access for easy clean out. Replaceable filter, and all you have to do is take off these wing nuts, remove the plate, remove the filter, replace the filter. Drive motor access panel, remove hardware, remove panel, access motor. V-belt driven, and a 6x48 belt and 12-inch PSA adhesive disc can be used. All parts are replaceable no matter the age of the unit. Made right here in Kalamazoo, Michigan.